Welcome back everyone. You may be in a position where for some reason your Snapchat stories are just not posting. Now this can happen for 50,000 different reasons, but I'll go and try to break down probably the most prominent reasons of why this is happening to you. First things first, you guys already know, follow the boy. There's the code, there's the name, everything you guys already know. Now the very first thing that I've always said, and it's so important, there's two things that are probably almost always the issue. First of all, check your network. If your network, the internet you're connected to, whatever, if you're not transmitting a good signal, basically there's nothing you can do. You have to just connect to a better signal. Now what that means is basically if you're connected to Wi-Fi, make sure you have a good Wi-Fi connection. If you're connected to data, make sure you have a good data connection. A good way to check this is to go ahead and open up your Safari browser or open up something and just load up anything. Just load up a web page, load up apple.com, do whatever you want to. As long as you're able to load up a web page in a decent amount of time, then you probably know that it's not an error with, the web browser or the internet connection or whatever. Then you probably can set that away, and you can probably assume at this point that Snapchat is just down. Now, if you're having a ton of problems and it's saying not connecting, or if you're on an Android, you're having a ton of data issues or whatever, then most probably it's just a network connection. So you just have to connect to a better network and then pretty much just move on from there. It's a pretty basic thing. But like I said, if that doesn't work, most probably your Snapchat account may just be down temporarily. It may not just be your account, it may just mean Snapchat is down as a whole. Now a great way, like I said before, to check this is to basically look at the comments of this video, sort by latest, or go on Twitter, see if Snapchat is down is trending, or just see if anybody's talking about it. Just search up Snapchat down or something on Twitter, search by the latest, and if a ton of people are commenting, then you probably know Snapchat is down. You can just assume that. Now, if a ton of people are commenting that, then you just pretty much have to wait until Snapchat fixes it. They may, if you follow them on Twitter, they may say something, so you can just go ahead and follow them and kind of go from there, and that's something that I would highly recommend you guys to look at. Now, if that doesn't work and Snapchat doesn't seem to be down, what you will probably end up having to do is make your way over to the App Store, and you want to go ahead and just update your Snapchat. Now, I always run into this issue. I don't know why that keeps happening. There we go, we fixed it. But basically, you just want to go ahead and look up Snapchat. So just look it up like that, click here and just update it. There's an update for it. Do the same thing for your Google Play Store if you're on an Android, and just update the device. And that's exactly what I would recommend everyone to do in this case. Update your app, go from there, and then pretty much move on. And once it's updated, go back into the app, and chances are you should be able to go ahead and update and add whatever you want to do at this point. So that's really pretty much it. Those are the ways to fix it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that means so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys could hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.